Looking back at our prelim task, I realised that there are some things we could have done differently. This is because once we finished filming our final product, we looked back at our prelim and we found that there were some things that made our prelim a lower standard than what our final product is. This is because we used a Handycam camera. The Handycam camera gave us lower quality footage than the HD camera that we used for our final product, as well as giving us more shaky shots than what we needed to. The shaky shots were due to the person that was holding the camera at the time. Also, the fact that we didn't use a Steadicam. For our final product, we used a Canon SLR 60D camera. This gave us higher quality footage as well as giving us more effects that we could use on the camera instead of making effects on the editing software. This gave us more professional footage that would run more smoothly than what our prelim task did. Also, in our prelim, we didn't follow all the rules that we were supposed to. We followed match on action as we showed the person walking through the door and then going to meet the other person. Also, we used the 180 degree rule as we didn't go past the line of 180 degrees unless we went around the person. We showed the shot going around the person. However, we did break the shot versus shot rule as the first shot we used was a shot of the character, and then the next shot would be the shot of the other character, and then the last shot was a shot of both characters together. This didn't show shot versus shot as it didn't go back to the original character. We have learnt from our mistakes in that we have made our footage better quality. Also, the editing software that we used wasn't as good as what we used for our final product. For our prelim, we used iMovie. This was easier to use as it was more easy layout than Final Cut Pro. However, it didn't give us the range of devices that Final Cut Pro gave us. For our final product, we used Final Cut Pro, and we found that it was easy to put the footage onto the Mac, and then to convert it into a YouTube file was easier than using iMovie. Also, in our final product, it was easier to find the sound and put it over the top of the footage. We've learnt from our mistakes and we have made our final product better.